Is your altcoin portfolio on Kraken optimized for the next market cycle? I've been using Kraken for years, and one thing I've learned is that while Bitcoin and Ethereum are the foundational buys, the real exponential growth often comes from strategically picked altcoins. And since Kraken is a highly respected and compliant exchange, the coins they list usually have a strong foundation. This isn't just about picking what's cheap, it's about looking at utility, community, and platform growth. My top 3 altcoin picks on Kraken. Here are 3 altcoins I've focused on, each representing a different key area of the crypto market. 1. Solana, SOL. Why I bought it. It's the Ethereum killer narrative, though I see it more as a high-speed competitor. My personal experience has been that its transaction speed and low fees make it a preferred platform for new DeFi and NFT projects. Kraken offers easy staking for Solana, which means I can earn a yield on my holdings right on the exchange, adding another layer of passive income. The focus, scalability, and the rapidly expanding ecosystem of applications built on the Solana blockchain. 2. Cardano, ADA. Why I bought it. Cardano takes an entirely different approach. It prioritizes research, peer review, and slow, deliberate development. While it's slower to release new features than Solana, this meticulous approach gives me confidence in its long-term stability and security. It's my anchor for a more conservative, long-term altcoin holding on Kraken. I appreciate the emphasis on sustainability and its proof-of-stake mechanism. The focus, sustainability, security, and a research-driven development roadmap. 3. Chainlink, Link. Why I bought it. This is my infrastructure play. Chainlink isn't a blockchain itself, it's a decentralized Oracle network that feeds real-world data into smart contracts on various blockchains. Virtually every serious DeFi and data-intensive smart contract needs reliable Oracle services, and Chainlink is the undisputed leader. Buying Link on Kraken is a bet on the entire smart contract space growing, regardless of which specific Layer 1 chain wins. The focus, interoperability, and its essential role as a secure bridge between off-chain data and on-chain smart contracts. My strategy for buying on Kraken. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. I don't try to time the market. I use Kraken's recurring buy feature to automatically purchase a fixed dollar amount of these altcoins every week. This removes emotion and averages out my purchase price over time. Staking rewards. For coins like Solana and Cardano, I always stake them directly on Kraken to earn passive rewards. This increases my total holdings without any extra investment. Risk management. Remember, altcoins are volatile. I only allocate a small, fixed percentage of my total portfolio to them. The core remains in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. I encourage you to do your own research on the use case and white papers for these 3. They represent strong fundamentals in 3 crucial areas of the crypto space: high-speed transactions, secure development, and essential data infrastructure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.